Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you probably have an interest in the world of crypto. If you're new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Today we will explore Bybit, one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced investor, Bybit might be the right choice for you. Let's get started. Bybit is a global cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2018, known for its user-friendly interface and advanced features. It serves millions of users and continues to grow every day. Trading on Bybit is easy, fast, and comes with very low cost. It appeals not only to beginners but also to professional traders. Now, I'll show you how to sign up. After clicking on the sign up section, registering with Bybit is completely free and only takes a few minutes. Go to the email or mobile number section and enter your email address or phone number here. Next, in the referral code section, you enter the code I provided in the description. They give you a bonus of up to $5,050. On average, they give a $50 gift, just so you know. As you complete steps like your first deposit or first trade, the bonuses are credited to your account. With these bonuses, you can trade and buy or sell cryptocurrencies on the platform without taking any risk. In Bybit's spot market section, you can find many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. You can buy or sell these with a very low commission rate. You can trade in real time with up-to-date prices, and the commission rates are very low. You can also do futures trading. Here there is a futures section. You can make leveraged trades here. In other words, futures trading. By using leverage, you can achieve higher earning potential. But be careful, as the chance for higher profits increases, so does the risk. That's why I recommend trying the demo first. By the way, as I mentioned, the commission rates are very low. It's as low as 0.01%. In addition, they offer many features from copy trading to a card section and things like the reverse hub. There's even a referral program and an Islamic account. If you like, let's take a look at the copy trading section. Here, a page called Classic Copy Trading opens up. There are lots of people here like Strelka and Crusader, and by copying these people's trades, whenever they open a position, make a sale, or make a purchase, the same buy and sell transactions are carried out in your account as well. You automatically pay a commission from the profit they make, and in this way you end up copying this person's trades. Here you can see how much profit they've made and so on. Bybit has its own crypto cards. They're called Bybit card. They have a slogan, "Live life with a Bybit crypto card." With these cards, you can use your cryptocurrencies in the real world. You can do things like grocery shopping, online spending, or withdrawing cash from an ATM using your card. Your cryptocurrencies are automatically converted to the local currency during the transaction. So, for example, when you go to the UK, you can use pounds. When you go to Russia, you can use Russian rubles, or when you go to America, you can use dollars. Similarly, you can use euros in Europe. In this way, they have full partnerships with platforms like Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView, and you can earn rewards on these platforms. You can also earn up to 10% cashback. You can get cashback on your spending up to $150. Bybit has both iOS and Android mobile apps, or if you prefer, you can also access their website from your computer. There are many features like airdrops and tasks. Here, by going to the Earn section, you can see what kind of rewards you can earn and what tasks you have. This is the staking section. If you want to stake USDT, they offer staking for up to 2 days, with rates as high as 555%. They have a help center. You can access the help center anytime, 24/7. They also have live support available in the bottom right corner. Here, you can contact customer service whenever you want. If you experience any problems, you can talk to them here. If you wish, you can store your cryptocurrencies in a cold wallet. Or if you prefer, you can buy different cryptocurrencies. If you want to learn, there is a Learn section here where Bybit provides content tailored for you. Here, you can find many detailed topics such as how to trade and what cryptocurrencies are. As you can see here in the top left corner, there are many coins available. from Trump coin to Litecoin to Boncoin. You can make either futures or spot trades whenever you want. Why should you choose Bybit? Let's touch on that as well. There are low commission rates suitable for beginners. There is a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. It has a fast transaction infrastructure. There are copy trading and Bybit card advantages available. At the same time, there are special welcome bonuses and campaigns for those registering for the first time. Whether you are trading or a long-term investor, Bybit offers opportunities suitable for every level. If you want to try Bybit, you can register using the link I provided in the description and immediately get your VIP account, allowing you to trade at much more favorable rates. This video is for informational purposes only and does not contain any investment advice. Cryptocurrency investments involve risk. Please do your own research and only invest amounts you can afford to lose. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Take care.